Welcome to PromeDocAI. We transform messy, multilingual documents into clean, structured data. Whether it's English invoices, Hindi contracts, or mixed script IDs, PromeDocAI understands them all. Our processor uses precise bounding boxes, letting you verify extracted elements instantly. Need structure? Use schema extraction to define custom fields or templates, then export to JSON or CSV with just one click. Stop manually keying in data from complex forms. With PromeDocAI's Schema Builder, you define exactly what you need. Upload any structured document, like this KYC application. Our AI automatically detects key value pairs without you needing to set up rigid templates beforehand. It instantly structures the data. You simply verify the fields you want to keep, selecting names, IDs, or dates to build your custom data schema on the fly. Review the raw JSON output for accuracy. Export your extracted data instantly in the format that fits your workflow. Whether you need JSON, CSV, Excel, or XML, PromeDocAI has you covered. Then you can push your verified schema directly into your production workflow. Now put that data to work. Our workflow engine lets you route this information where it needs to go, whether that's archiving to a database or triggering email alerts. Need to sync with your CRM? Use the REST API integration to map your new schema directly to external endpoints like Salesforce or HubSpot. PromeDocAI turns static forms into dynamic workflows. Simply upload your file, whether it's a PDF or an image, to transform unstructured documents into usable data. Our layout-aware AI immediately goes to work analyzing the content. In seconds, the document is fully parsed. PromeDocAI identifies text blocks, figures, and tables with high precision. Just select a table. The system intelligently structures rows and columns ready for review, which you can export as CSV to use in your spreadsheets. Click on any bounding box overlaying the document to instantly verify its extracted content. For developers, the full power of the extraction is available in JSON format, capturing every detail, including coordinates and confidence scores. Gain high-level insights with the preview dashboard, giving you a quick quality check on the document's composition. And with our built-in document assistant, you can instantly summarize complex papers or ask questions about the data.
Welcome to the Admin Dashboard, your complete solution for managing credits, teams, and API access. Let me walk you through all the powerful features available to help you efficiently manage your team and resources. The Overview tab shows your credit health at a glance. The color-coded ring displays remaining credits. Here, see your organization credits, personal allocation, team size, and plan status. In the Team tab, manage all members with role-based access. 3 roles available: owner with full control, admin for team management, and member for basic access. Add new members with username, email, password, role, and credit limit. Edit existing members to change roles or adjust credits. Deactivate members to preserve history while revoking access. Switch between manual or equal credit distribution modes. Equal automatically redistributes credits among active members. The Usage tab tracks all credit consumption. View 30-day statistics showing total credits used, successful and failed requests. The detailed log displays every transaction with user, operation, credits charged, status, and timestamp. Filter by team member and paginate through history for complete visibility. API Access lets you create and manage API keys for programmatic integration, create named keys for different applications, monitor usage, and revoke compromised keys instantly. View detailed API activity, including request accounts, rate limits, success rates, and per request credit charges with full audit logs. Finally, Plan and Billing, available to owners only. View your current plan details, monthly credits, team limits, and billing cycle.
Compare all available plans and upgrade or downgrade with one click. Access complete billing history, then manage organization settings. That's the admin dashboard. 5 powerful tabs for complete organizational control.
Manual data entry is a waste of human intelligence. PromeDocAI handles the boring part, extracting precise tables and fields directly into your system. Let's automate the heavy lifting. Go to Prometheans.com or email contact@Prometheans.com.